Hey guys, quick video here on how to properly use a tile leveling system. We will be installing these 12 by 16 inch large format glass panels with a wedge system. We'll show you the wrong way to install and the right way to install using a tile leveling system. Here we go. Now this is the incorrect way to install tile with the tile leveling system. As you can see here, troweling in different directions doesn't allow the ridges to collapse properly. I'll show you another method of what not to do when installing tile with the tile leveling system. And there's another incorrect way to install tile using a tile leveling system. As you can see here, there is not directional troweling, so therefore the ridges aren't collapsing properly. Here, this is called spot bonding. As you can see, we're not getting full coverage on any of these tiles here. Okay, let's show you the correct method of installing a tile leveling system with large format tiles. Here we go. Now this is how you properly install large format tile with the tile leveling system. 1, you use a 1/2 inch trowel like this. 2, directional troweling like so. 3, make sure you collapse all ridges when installing. Well, there you have it, how to properly install large format tile with the tile leveling system. This is 80% coverage. There's one additional step that I did not take, which is to back butter each tile before you set them. A quick skim on the back of the tile prior to setting. I skipped that step just to show the ridges collapsed with this glass. So if you are installing large format tile or porcelain planks, directional troweling, 1/2 inch trowel, compress ridges, and skim coat, back butter the tiles before setting. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.